Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello students of grade 6. How are you today? Sure, I hope today you are all fine. Well class, welcome back again to our English learning today, and today we are going to discuss on chapter 12 about traffic park. Well student, before we continue for our lesson today, please prepare for your tools of learning like books, pens, and others. And here the lesson for you. Please pay attention carefully. And let's start to study now. Here we go.
Chapter 12 Traffic Park. On this chapter we are going to learn about asking and giving response about one's past activity using was and were, and also learning about traffic park. Well students, for more information about this lesson, please pay attention carefully. And here the lesson for you on chapter 12. Let's study now. Well students, before we start, at first we are going to discuss about glossary. Yuk kita membahas tentang glossary terlebih dahulu. Attractive, attractive, menarik. Bad, bad, buruk. Careless, careless, ceroboh. Child friendly integrated public space, RPTRA, atau ruang publik terpadu rumah anak. Crossed, crossed, menyeberang. Crossing street, jalan melintang. Crowded, sesak penuh orang. Enthusiastic, antusias. Improve, meningkatkan. Interesting, menarik. Navigate, mengemudi. Operate, mengoperasikan atau menjalankan. Pavement, trotoar. Pedestrians, pejalan kaki. Street width, lebar jalan. Well, please you learn this glossary by yourself. Then we are going to discuss for the others lesson. And here for you. A. Listening. Listen to this conversation. Dengarkan percakapan berikut ini. Hi Siti. Hello Mina. What did you do last week, Siti? I went to RPTRA Kebonpala. There was traffic park. I played and studied traffic laws. How did you feel? It was fun. I was happy too. That's awesome. I hope I can go to there too. Yeah, you have to go there. You can learn about the rules of the road. Okay. Hai Siti. Halo Mina. What did you do? Apa yang kamu lakukan minggu lalu, Siti? I went to, saya pergi ke RPTRA Kebonpala. There was traffic park. Ada sebuah taman lalu lintas. I played and studied traffic laws. Saya bermain dan belajar peraturan lalu lintas. How did you feel? Bagaimana rasanya? Oh, it was fun. Oh, menyenangkan. I was happy too. Saya juga senang atau bahagia. That's awesome. Wow, keren sekali. I hope I can go there too. Saya berharap saya juga bisa pergi ke sana. Yeah, you have to go there. Yeah, kamu harus ke sana. You can learn about the rules of road. Kamu bisa mempelajari peraturan daripada jalan. Okay, baiklah. Okay, this one about the sample conversation and we continue. Well, class, please pay attention on this table. Nah, perhatikan ini untuk penggunaan daripada was dan were. Oke, this one subject. Ini adalah subject. I, he, she, it, you, they, we. Nah, this one was and were. Oke, perhatikan pasangannya ya. I, he, she, it menggunakan pasangan was, sementara you, they, we, were. Nah, this one is complement. Ini adalah tambahannya, jadi bisa bikin kalimat yang simple. I was happy. I was at home. I was watching, and others. Yes, please you learn this again. And we are going to know about the sample of this table. And here it is. Exercise, listen and repeat. Dengarkan dan ulangi. I was happy on my last holiday. I was happy on my last holiday. Saya bahagia pada liburan yang lalu. He was sick last week. He was sick last week. Dia sakit minggu yang lalu. He was sad. Dia sedih. They were enthusiastic. Mereka penuh bersemangat atau mereka antusias. She was worried to be alone at home last night. She was worried. Dia khawatir sendirian di rumah semalam. Well, this one also please you learn it by yourself. Then we're going to the others. Around Jakarta, Taman Lalu Lintas or Traffic Park is located in Kebon Pala, Bursary RPTRA. Kindergarten and elementary students can learn about traffic. There are various facilities such as traffic signs, traffic police posts, two-way bicycle track, transit room, parking lot, and others. Taman lalu lintas itu berlokasi di Kebon Pala Bursary RPTRA. Anak-anak dan siswa SD bisa belajar tentang rambu lalu lintas. Banyak sekali jenis fasilitas seperti tanda rambu lalu lintas, tentang pos kantor polisi, dan trek sepeda 2 arah, ruang transit, tempat parkir, dan sebagainya. This one only about around Jakarta. Then we continue on speaking. Be speaking. Practice this conversation. Dialogue 1. Mamat comes to Mina's house. Mamat datang ke rumah Mina. Hello, Mina. Hi, Mamat. By the way, where is your mom? She is in the bedroom. She is in the recovery. She was sick last week. My mom got the hospital last Saturday. I'm sorry to hear that. How did you feel when you were alone at home? I was worried to be alone at home when my mom was at the hospital last Saturday. But now she is going better. I hope she gets well soon. Thanks, Mamat. Halo Mina. Hai Mamat. By the way, ngomong-ngomong, where is your mom? Di mana ibumu? She is in the bedroom. Dia berada di kamar tidur. She is in the recovery. Dia dalam proses penyembuhan. She was sick last week. Dia sakit minggu lalu. My mom got the hospital last Saturday. Nah, ibuku berada di rumah sakit hari Sabtu yang lalu. I'm sorry to hear that. Waduh, maaf saya sedih mendengarnya. How do you feel when you were alone at home? Bagaimana rasanya ketika kamu berada di rumah sendirian? I was worried to be alone. Saya khawatir sendirian di rumah ketika ibuku berada di rumah sakit Sabtu lalu. But now, sekarang she's going better. Sekarang dia lebih baik. I hope she gets well soon. Saya berharap dia cepat sembuh. Thanks, Mama. Terima kasih, Mama. Well, after this, you will do some exercise. And here the exercise for you. Before continue on exercise, let's discuss about dialogue 2. Udin and Siti. Hi Siti, hello Udin. I heard you got 100 score for math the day before. How did you feel, Siti? I was happy yesterday. Congratulations, Siti. Thanks, Udin. Hi Siti, hello Udin. I heard saya mendengar kamu mendapatkan nilai 100 untuk pelajaran matematika hari yang lalu atau kemarin sebelumnya. How do you feel, Siti? Bagaimana perasaanmu, Siti? I was happy yesterday. Saya sangat bahagia kemarin. Saya bahagia sekali atau bahagia kemarin. Congratulations, Siti. Selamat, Siti. Thanks, Udin. Terima kasih, Udin. Well, we continue now. Okay, exercise. Let's discuss it together. Complete and practice this conversation. Lengkapi dan berlatihnya percakapan tersebut. Mamat and Udin. How did you feel on your last holiday? Bagaimana perasaanmu pada liburan yang lalu? I was blah 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 on my last holiday. Nah, perhatikan this gambar, this picture. They look happy. Mereka terlihat bahagia. So, I was happy on my last holiday. Saya bahagia pada liburan yang lalu. Look at this picture. Perhatikan gambar ini. How did you feel after losing his toys? How did you feel after losing his toys? Bagaimana perasaanmu setelah dia kehilangan mainannya? He was... lihat, sedih. He was sad. And also look at these pictures. They look so happy. How did Mamat and Matali feel when they played in Traffic Park yesterday? Bagaimana perasaan Mamat dan Matali ketika mereka bermain di Taman Lalu Lintas kemarin? Okay. You can guess it? Bisa nebak? Yes. They were happy. And please look at this picture. Okay, how do you see? How did Mina feel when she was at home last night? Bagaimana perasaan Mina ketika dia berada di rumah semalam? She was scary. She was afraid. Atau she was worried. Dia khawatir atau dia takut. Okay, this one. How was your father last week? How was your father last week? Bagaimana keadaan ayahmu minggu yang lalu? Look at this picture. He was sick. He was sick. Dia sakit. Well, please practice by yourself again. And we continue for the reading. And here the reading for you. See reading. Read the conversation and answer all the questions. Bacalah percakapan tersebut dan jawablah semua pertanyaan. Let's discuss it. Yuk kita diskusikan. Teacher and students. Hello everyone, good morning. Halo semuanya, selamat pagi. Hi Miss Siti, good morning. Hai Bu Siti, Hai Miss Siti, selamat pagi. By the way, ngomong-ngomong, what did you do on your last holiday? Apa yang kamu lakukan liburan yang lalu? Who will share the story? Siapa yang akan berbagi cerita tersebut? Mamat. I will. Saya. I went to RPTRA Kebonpala East Jakarta. Saya pergi ke RPTRA Kebonpala di Jakarta. Great. Wah, bagus. What did you see there? Apa yang kamu lihat di sana? There was a traffic park. Ada taman lalu lintas. Nice. With whom did you go there? Dengan siapa kamu pergi ke sana? I went there with my mom and dad. Saya pergi ke sana dengan mama dan ayah. Atau dengan mama dan papa. How did you feel? Bagaimana perasaanmu? I was happy and satisfied. Saya bahagia dan puas. Mamat, now share your experience and what did you get, please? Mamat, sekarang berbagilah pengalamanmu dan apa yang kamu dapatkan. I played bike. Saya bermain sepeda. I could navigate my vehicle on the street and operate according to traffic law. Saya bisa mengemudi sepeda saya di jalan-jalan dan mengoperasikan berdasarkan peraturan rambu lalu lintas. There was also traffic police. Ada juga polisi lalu lintas. Pedestrians, pejalan kaki. Crossing streets, jalan melintang atau penyeberangan jalan. Pavement, trotoar. Traffic lights, rambu lalu lintas atau lampu lalu lintas. And many more, dan banyak lagi. I learned about the rule of traffic laws. Saya belajar tentang peraturan rambu lalu lintas. The traffic police helped me to improve my awareness of traffic safety. The traffic police, polisi lalu lintas, membantu saya untuk meningkatkan kesadaran saya atau kewaspadaan saya dalam keselamatan berlalu lintas. It was good story, Mamat. Wah, cerita yang bagus, Mamat. Thanks for your sharing. Terima kasih atas berbagi kamu. You are welcome. Sama-sama. Then students, after this, you do the exercise. And the exercise, here it is. Well, students, on page 122, ada di halaman 2, exercise. Please you write the questions and also the answer according to this conversation. Tulis soal dan jawabannya berdasarkan percakapan yang sudah kita diskusikan tadi. For number 1, where was Mamat on holiday? Di mana atau kemana Mamat saat liburannya? With whom did Mamat go there? How did Mamat feel? Dengan siapa Mamat pergi sana dan bagaimana perasaan Mamat? What happened to Mamat when he crossed the street? Apa yang terjadi ketika Mamat menyeberang jalanan? For who helped Mamat to improve his awareness of traffic safety? Siapa yang membantu Mamat untuk meningkatkan kewaspadaannya dalam keselamatan berlalu lintas atau kewaspadaan atau kesadaran berlalu lintas? How did you feel when you cross the street alone? Bagaimana perasaanmu atau bagaimana perasaan kamu ketika kamu menyeberang jalan sendirian? Please share your opinion. Tulis soal dan jawabannya. Then continue for the next lesson. Well, students, on page 123. Di halaman 123 untuk tugas kedua kalian. Oke, arrange the words to correct sentence. Susunlah kata tersebut menjadi kalimat yang tepat. Oke, Mister akan kasih kata bantunya untuk yang pertama. Number 1, Mamat. Number 2, it. Number 3, Minah. Number 4, my father. And number 5, Siti. Okay, this one about your second duties. Well, students, I think today this one for our learning today. Thanks for watching, thanks for your listening, and also thanks for your attention. See you next meeting, and keep stay healthy always. Goodbye, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.